Have you ever dreamt of earning money online? Imagine the freedom of working from anywhere in the world, whether it's a beach, a cozy cafe, or the comfort of your own home. Picture yourself setting your own hours, being your own boss, and having the flexibility to balance work and life on your own terms. This dream is within reach, thanks to the incredible power of AI. With AI, you can automate tasks, gain insights, and make smarter decisions. The online world is full of opportunities. From e-commerce to digital marketing, the possibilities are endless. You can find your niche, whether it's a unique product, a specialized service, or a creative content idea. You can build your own business from the ground up, leveraging the power of the internet to reach a global audience, and the best part, AI can help you every step of the way, from market research to customer engagement. For years, AI seemed complex and out of reach for many, but not anymore. Now there's DeepSeek AI. It's a game changer that simplifies AI for everyone. DeepSeek AI is designed for everyone, from seasoned entrepreneurs to those just starting out. It makes AI accessible and easy to use. It's like having your own personal assistant, but smarter. With DeepSeek AI, you can turn your online income dreams into reality. DeepSeek AI is a revolutionary tool that is set to change the way we interact with technology. It uses the latest advancements in artificial intelligence, combining machine learning, natural language processing, and data analytics. What can it do for you? Let's dive in and explore the endless possibilities. DeepSeek AI can generate captivating content effortlessly, whether you're a writer, marketer, or content creator. Need a blog post, a social media update, or even a video script? DeepSeek AI can handle it all with ease. DeepSeek AI has got you covered, but that's not all. It can also help you manage your content calendar and streamline your workflow. DeepSeek AI can also help you understand your target audience better, providing you with detailed insights and analytics. It analyzes data and provides insights that are crucial for making informed decisions. This helps you tailor your content to meet the specific needs and preferences of your audience. And guess what? This leads to higher engagement, more followers, and ultimately, increased sales. DeepSeek AI is incredibly user-friendly, designed with a clean and intuitive interface. Don't be intimidated by technology. DeepSeek AI is here to make your life easier. DeepSeek AI is designed for everyone, regardless of your tech savviness or experience level. Its intuitive interface makes it a breeze to use even if you're a complete beginner. With DeepSeek AI, the future of content creation and data analysis is at your fingertips. Let's meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who always dreamt of starting her own business. Juggling family life with her aspirations seemed impossible. Then, she discovered DeepSeek AI. Sarah used DeepSeek AI to create engaging content for her online store. She used it to schedule social media posts, and guess what? Her business took off. Sarah's story is just one example of the incredible results people are achieving with DeepSeek AI. People from all walks of life are using DeepSeek AI to boost their online businesses and achieve their financial goals. Section 4. Why DeepSeek AI? A cut above the rest. Now you might be thinking, there are other AI tools out there, and you're absolutely right. But DeepSeek AI stands out from the crowd in several key ways. How? Let's break it down. First, DeepSeek AI is free. You don't need to break the bank to access its powerful features. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, DeepSeek AI is free, unlike others. It's designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of financial constraints. Second, DeepSeek AI is constantly evolving. The team behind it is dedicated to bringing you the latest and greatest in AI technology. Regular updates and new features ensure that you always have access to the best tools. This means you can stay ahead of the curve and keep your operations running smoothly. The team behind DeepSeek AI is dedicated to bringing you the latest and greatest in AI technology. They are always innovating and improving. Regular updates and new features ensure that you always have access to the best tools. This means you can stay ahead of the curve and keep your operations running smoothly. Third, DeepSeek AI is more than just a tool. It's a partner in your success. The DeepSeek AI team provides excellent customer support. They are always there to answer your questions and help you get the most out of the platform. Whether you need technical assistance or just some advice on best practices, their support team is ready to assist. With DeepSeek AI, you're not just getting a product, you're gaining a reliable partner committed to your success. Section 5. Unlock your potential with DeepSeek AI. The online world is your oyster, and DeepSeek AI is your pearl. It's your key to unlocking incredible opportunities. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Join the AI revolution today and see how DeepSeek AI can transform your online business and help you achieve your financial dreams. Ready to take the leap? Visit the DeepSeek AI website and start your free trial today. Share your success story with us. We can't wait to hear about it.